Hello, my name is Christy Lloyd. I'm a Salesforce business analyst out of Seattle, Washington. I am thrilled to showcase some of the solutions and troubleshooting that went into this CRM improvement project for a major bank, and I also want to give credit to my teammates Kimberly and Funsuk. Here are a few items that we'll cover today. We'll go over some of the key insights that we learned or I learned from stakeholder conversations about the current state. Then I'll go over the solutions. I'm excited I can demo some of the solutions in the actual org. And then we will go over some project delivery plans for the future. When I first met with the stakeholders, they talked about how the branch tellers at the bank and the sales team members had a difficult time collaborating because of siloed data systems. This led to frustration, miscommunication about what the customer may be qualified for as regards to new products. And as we know, we also heard from the stakeholders that the branch salespeople had their own schedules. The tellers couldn't always see which salespeople were available for which location, and it was difficult to schedule an appointment for the customers to discuss the new products without knowing which salespeople were available. The two teams were not communicating, their data was siloed, and it was frustrating for the teller because it affected their potential commission, and frustrating for the salesperson because it impacted how full their lead funnel would be. And we wanted to solve this problem for you. Let me tell you a little bit of the story from the point of view of the bank teller. Here is the bank teller. Their user story reads as follows. As a bank teller, I want a tool that suggests relevant products to customers based on their banking profile so that I can offer more personalized and suitable options. And I'm excited to show you a little bit later in the demo some of the solutions that we propose. But first, let's talk about the KPIs that are important for the actual goals. Here are some of the KPIs we compiled based on stakeholder interviews and the notes that I took, along with some metrics that the Salesforce org would track. We want to see a 25% increase in closed won deals, a 65% or higher conversion rate of those appointments made, 30% increase in kept appointments, and we want to see those CSATs being returned with an 80% satisfaction rate or better, and this is over the next 6 months across all branches. All right, as you can see, these are screenshots from the org itself. You will find a video with the actual demo live, also on the portfolio and on the YouTube channel. It's not going to be embedded here in this particular slideshow, but I'll show you some screenshots and then you can hop over there and look at the actual video of the demo. You can see here that, if you can see that small, we're logged in as Maximilian Sterling. Maximilian Sterling is a regional bank manager, and he can see details of a customer just like a salesperson would be able to, and just like a bank teller would be able to. And we can see the status. We can see in what time and date the appointment was made for the customer. We can see their credit score, and then we have these options of recommended products, and then we also have a total lifetime value, also which branch this particular customer comes from. Okay, so this is a screenshot of a dashboard that I built for Maximilian Sterling. He can see it, but this the data would look slightly different if you were logged in as like a salesperson or a bank teller. We have several charts here that are really helpful. We have a donut chart here that shows how many customer appointments are per branch. We can see all the branches here and how they're each doing in their performances, the sum of the appointments kept. These are some of the KPIs that we were going to track in the beginning. We can see the sales by salesperson. Maybe there's a salesperson who might need some support here. We can see the total lifetime value of the branches and take action based on data to support or train those branches or celebrate them. And then we also see some of the recommended products by branch. These KPIs are really important for salespeople and the tellers and a regional manager such as Maximilian. Here's a mock project timeline. The MVP for this project is getting the tellers and the sales teams collaborating, getting those data silos compiled into one. This would include the shared customer profile visibility, accurate appointment setting abilities, and calendars based on branch location, most convenient for the customer. This is the most urgent part of the project. And then by the end of Q1, we want to see the KPIs of increased conversion rate and appointment keeping being kept. And then by Q2, the other KPI of increased close one, we want to meet that particular KPI. And then moving forward into Q3, keep the remaining KPIs of CSAT scores and full integration of user adoption of all Salesforce tools based on this project. And then Q4 and beyond, we want to see some AI tools being used to predict trends, such as using Einstein AI or perhaps a chatbot. I'm excited about Q4 and beyond. AI is one of my favorite things, and it can transform the way that salespeople write, send emails, find products, predict products, and make those relevant to the customers and to tellers in each particular branch. Thanks for watching my video. Check out my other videos on my YouTube channel and connect with me on LinkedIn right here. You can see right here. Okay, see you soon. Thanks.